Hi everybody, welcome back to another vlog. It is a beautiful day here in Vegasville. It is Saturday and I am about to run some errands. I wanted to just start off this vlog to say hi and take you guys with me. Excuse the echo in this room. This is our living room and dining room area, and we took our furniture out of this space and put it in our family room. And we're just trying to figure out what we're going to do with this space. I'm not sure if I want to get chairs in here, just like 2 or 4 chairs in here, or just wait and see if we're going to actually move. We're still shopping for homes, as you saw the last video. But you know, like I said, we're just gonna go with the flow and see what the Lord has planned for us. Hopefully it is to move because we do have a few homes that we are very interested in. But if we're meant to stay in this house, then so be it. We'll just do some upgrades in it as well. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do about the space. So you will always hear an echo in this room. I might put a rug down, that might help. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So anyways, I'm heading to a few places. I need to go to Target to return the sports bras that I did not like, that didn't really fit me properly. And I'm going to drop off some shoes because the heels on some of my shoes are worn down, the little tab thingies at the bottom of the shoes. So I need to drop that off to the cobbler and pick up some mail, and then I need a new iron. I know you guys didn't ask, but this is a vlog, so I'm letting you know what I'm doing today. Go to Walmart, get an iron and some white thread because I'm going to do something to a t-shirt that I bought. And then come back. This weekend's a little homey. After I do these errands, I have some seeds to plant in the bed because the bed is now fixed, our sprinkler system. I need a clean house. I need to clean my closet. So a lot of things that's wifey duties and some running around to do. So let's go head to Target and the other places that I just mentioned, and then come back and go from there. I also wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today because I think I need to be, I had to put my glasses down. I think I need to be a little bit more consistent on wearing my closet and showing you guys what I'm wearing. Even though what I have on is even though what is in my closet is probably not available. I mean, and I don't think I have yet for anyone to even ask where I got something. So I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing, just so that way I'm accountable to myself that I'm wearing my closet on a daily basis. So today I have on this very old shirt. It's pretty thin and it's a little chilly outside, so I may need a jacket. I'm not sure where this is from, but necklace. I really want to start wearing my jewelry. So this necklace is fairly old. I believe I got this in Spain. I'm not sure. I think I did get it in Spain at a flea market. Old earrings, and then these jeans I got from Target last summer, I believe, during one of their sales. It's Wild Fable. It's like cargo pants. They're really cute, kind of like the big baggy style. And my boots are actually from Shein. They're actually surprisingly very comfortable. They're not the right color. My brown boots I'm taking to the cobbler today to get the little, what is this called? This fixed on my brown boots. So I thought I'd throw these on. It's still in the same color scheme, but you know, it is what it is. But it's cold, my toes are cold, so I want to wear boots. I need to put some socks on and wear boots. So that's my outfit today. Staying on course. Yesterday was a very sloppy, I didn't do a thing day. It was rainy, it was cold, it was windy. I did not dress up. I didn't even put on, I think I stayed in sweats and my PJ top all day yesterday, and did nothing, really did nothing. I kind of went through my closet a little bit, but it was a very lazy day yesterday. So today, I need to get my butt out of this house and start getting some things done in this house and run some errands. So anyways, I wanted to show you my outfit and be accountable. Planning arugula. Sorry, it's pretty early here right now. I think it's 8 something. I know some people think that that's not early, but for me that's early. Classic mix, romaine lettuce, kale, radishes, parsnip, carrots, rainbow carrots, turnips, beets, more radishes, and spinach. Let's hope they all grow.
Puff it up, I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Day 1 work attire. These are the pants. You guys saw these pants in the previous video. They're the houndstooth. They're checkered. I don't know what this pattern is called. Changed to black shirt though. To this one. I haven't worn this shirt in a very long time, to be honest. It's I don't like the way it fits around the boobs, but I decided I should just go ahead and wear it. I did safety pin it because it puckers open here, so I put a safety pin there, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. Old belt and old boots. Yeah. So I don't know when I actually wore any of this stuff, so it's been probably a year. So that's my attire today, and just simple little stud earrings. So that's it. I'm a little down this morning, guys. I haven't heard from my youngest in a while, and it's kind of making me a little concerned, so I'm just not in the right frame of mind right now. So anyways, I will see you guys a little later. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today's a day of comfort at the office. I have to move some boxes out of my work space, and I'm wearing just sweats and a red turtleneck that I actually have not worn in about a year. So sweats I wear all the time while I'm in the house, but this is my look, and I know, but I do get off work early today because I have a charity event to attend this evening. So I will get myself together and show you guys that look. later on and take you with me possibly to the event as well. So this is my look this morning. I hope you guys are having a great morning, and I will see you later on this afternoon. Okay guys, hello, good afternoon. It is a little bit after 4:30. I'm about to head out to the charity event. I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. One of my very favorite blouses that, you know, everybody knows the story behind my closet. I haven't worn it in a long time. I'm feeling very good in my outfit. I was going to wear a black dress, but it has no sleeves and it's a little bit too chilly today and windy that I just decided to throw this on. It's not I don't think it's a very dressy event. I will find out when I get there. I'm wearing my Chanel belt, Christian booties, and I'm not sure what brand these pants are. And then this blouse I actually got a very long time ago off of QVC. And I love this blouse. And then of course very old jewelry that I just pulled out of my jewelry box. So that's it. Oh, and then I'm going to wear a blazer. Let me go get it. Okay, I'm hoping this is clear. Then I'm going to wear this blazer. I think this is sufficient enough for this evening. Blazer is Zara, probably about 2 years old. So let's go on to Red Rock Casino and see how this lovely evening is going to turn out.